Hello everyone, welcome to the SRBPS online classes.
Students, we were doing chapter 5 decimals. Today, we will understand the multiplication and division of decimals, which is a part of 5.4 exercise. So let's start with the question number 1, that is find the product. Product means, students, we have to multiply when decimals are given to us. Yes, student, 249.7 multiply 4. This is our decimal number which we have to multiply with 4. Students, the easy way to do this type of calculation is ignore decimal. We have to ignore the decimal while doing the multiplication. Our number is without decimal 2497. We have to multiply it with 4. Yes, students, we will ignore the decimal. Now let's start some multiplication. 4 sevens are 28. 2 will be carry. Now yes, students, 9 fours are 36. 36 plus 2, 38. 3 will be carry. Yes, 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. Now 1 will be carry. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Yes, students, after doing the multiplication, I got the answer 9,988. Yes, students, now the last step to do this question is we have to check in the question after how many digits dot is there. We will check from the last. Yes, we will check from the last after one digit dot is there. So in answer also, in our solution as well, we will check from the last, and here after one digit dot is there or point is there. So in answer also after one digit we will put a point, right? So 998.8 is our answer. I hope so, students. This is clear to you all that how to multiply in the case of decimal. First step is we have to ignore decimal. We have to do the normal multiplication. And the last step is we have to check in the question after how many digits dot is there or point is there. After in the same way in solution as well, we will count from the last. There is after one digit point. So in solution also after one digit we will put a point. Clear, students? Now students, we will understand the division of decimals. In the same way as we have done the multiplication of decimals, we will do the division of decimals. First step is we have to ignore the decimal. After ignoring the decimal, our number will be 85,704. 85,704 divided by 8. Students, we have to ignore decimal and we have to find out the answer after dividing, or we have to find out the quotient. So let's divide it. 8 ones are 8. We will carry one number, that is 5, one digit. Students, can 5 be divided by 8? No. So we will carry one more digit, that is 7. Now it will go on 7s are 8 sevens are 56. Our remainder will be 1. Yes, we will carry one more digit, that is 0. Now it will go on 1s are 8 ones are 8. Students, now after subtracting we will get 2. Now we will carry one more digit, 4. Yes, 8 threes are 24. Now nothing is here to carry down, so our remainder is 0. Now students, we got quotient as 1700 13. But yes, this is not our exact answer. Last step is still left, as in the case of multiplication of decimals, we have count in the question after how many digits point is there. In this way also, we will count in the question after how many digits point is there. We will count always from the last. 1, 2, 3, dot or the point. After 3-digit point is there. So in solution as well, in our quotient as well, we will count from the last and we will put a point. 1, 2, 3 and this is our point. So our answer is, students, 1.713. I hope so, students. The multiplication of decimals and division of decimals is clear to you all.